Now you can earn money without doing any work. Just need to share the link. You need to go freelancer.com, create a profile, and it will show you a share link. You can see here. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, where you want. And when someone click on that link and sign up on freelancer, after getting login and getting some work from freelancer, as he complete that work, it will get $20 and you also get $20 as a bonus, and you can earn up to $1,000 by sharing that link. I will share my link in description. You can join and start earning money. As you know, freelancer is a website where you can get jobs and work remotely to earn some extra money. Thanks for watching.